I wish to congratulate the government of Kenya under your leadership, my dear brother, for the strides you continue to make in your development sustainability. Kenya is one of the most economy in East Africa that has sustainably continued to register positive economic growth. Kenya has vast, comprehensive education infrastructure. There are several of you here who are graduates from Kenyan universities. We are grateful, my dear brother. Zimbabwe stands ready to share experiences with Kenya towards empowering our youthful population, mainly around science, technology, and innovation-based education and skills training, promoting financial inclusion and sustainable development that leaves no one and no place behind. We also, my dear brother, applaud your stand regionally, continentally, internationally, where you have publicly denounced sanctions imposed on Zimbabwe. We are proud. Very few leaders would, at the United Nations conference, the annual general conference at the UN, very few leaders who speak, you all see that place in the United Nations. It was come out when there's the General Assembly, where heads of state talk there. There are several types of leaders. Some talk their mind. Some talk the problems they face. Some talk what they think need to be talked. But my dear brother is able to say, lift sanctions imposed on Zimbabwe, to the nation, to the world. So indeed, my dear brother, my dear countrymen and women, we have a friend in Kenya. Kenya is our friend.